on the topic reflection of light. Yeah, we are seeing the numericals. This numerical is based on reflection of light, on the topic reflection of light, right? So one of the question I am taking a concave mirror produce 3 times the image located, right? Solution. What are the portion given to you? What are the thing given to you? Given that the mirror is concave and 3 times real image, that means m is equals to minus of 3, minus, where minus indicates real image, and 3 times means 3 minus 3. Now one more thing they have given, u is equals to 10 centimeter, yani 3 times real inverted and enlarged image of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it, yani object is being placed at 10 centimeter, right? So u is given minus 10 centimeter, and they are asking you to find out image. Where is the image located? Image, you know that m is equal to h dash by h is equal to minus of v by u, right? And this m is given minus 3. Okay, I am writing minus 3. H dash by h you forget, v by u, where u is given. So can I take minus 3 equals to minus of v by minus of जो है 10. See, this minus is already there. U, this minus is coming as per sign convention. U is to be placed left side of the mirror. That's why u will be in minus. U is equal to minus of 10 centimeter. Right. So this minus will be cancelled out, and or else minus this minus you can cancel, and this minus would be left. So the v becomes minus 3 into 10, that is minus 30 centimeter. So yes, the image is located at 30 centimeter, right, in front of the mirror only. Why? Because this minus sign is there. And after all, in the question also they are saying 3 times. Of course it will be bigger. Object distance is 10 and image is 30, right? Image is real enlarged, that means in between C and F. The object is being placed in between C and F. That's why the image is 3 times bigger, real, inverted, and same side. Yes, this is how you can approach. Yeah, this is the question. Read the question, bacho. The question is, we wish to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Right? So the question is, what should be the range of an object? See, in the question it is given concave mirror. In the question it is given concave mirror. Concave mirror, in concave mirror, and they want erect image. They want erect image in concave mirror. You know, you have read previously the only one case where you can get erect image, that of course will be virtual in concave mirror, that is case number 6. And what is case number 6? When the object is placed, suppose this is your concave mirror, right? This is the focus, this is the center of curvature. One of the object was being placed in between pole and focus. Light ray coming from the object. After reflection, of course, one of the ray passing through जो है focal length, and another ray you were taking, and another ray when extended, but when traced back behind the mirror, it would appear to meet at a point where a virtual image was formed, a dash by dash. This is one of the case number 6, right now. This is case number 6. Now what should be the range of object? So the range of, if it is given focal length is 15 centimeter. So in between 0 to 15 anywhere the object to be placed. So of course the solution, if I write the solution part, so for 1 I will write right under 15, I mean before 15. So this is the range if it is the focal length, and this is the focal length. So the object to be placed in between 0 to 15, between 0 to 15. So you can write here between 0 to 15. Okay. Number 2. What is number 2 question is, what is the nature of image? The nature of image will be virtual. The nature of image will be virtual erect. ठीक है, virtual erect. Is the image is smaller? You can see the image is bigger. It is bigger. Draw the ray diagram. This is the ray diagram, right? So if you have the concept properly, you have read properly, you have listened the lecture properly, you are unstoppable, you should be in practice, okay, then only question you can solve, otherwise very difficult. And an object is placed at a distance of position and nature of image formed. This is one of the question, and this question is based on numerical. The question is, an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. यानी given that it is convex mirror, करते हैं. अब ये placed of distance of 10 centimeter, यानी कि u is equal to minus 10 centimeter you write from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. F is equal to 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus. Why? Because if it is convex mirror, see, you see, if it is convex mirror, focal length is right side. This is the focal length, F focal length, and it is positive. It is what? Positive. Image will also be positive because somewhere in between pole and focus behind the mirror only image is being formed, and object is always placed in front of the mirror. So object, no doubt, minus, focal length will be in plus, and they are asking you to find out position and nature. So for that, two things is required. One is V, another one you can go for magnification. Okay, so magnification help you to find out nature of image, and position जो है, position of image, of course you need to find out the image distance. So using mirror formula, right? Using mirror formula, what we are having, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. You know that what is the mirror formula? In mirror formula it is in plus, in lens formula you will write in minus. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So here 1 by 15 you will write is equals to 1 by v as it is, plus 1 by u means 1 by minus of 10. So can I write 1 by 15 is equals to 1 by v, either minus of 1 by 10. Now 1 by v is equals to what? 1 by v is equal to this minus will comes here in plus. So 1 by v will become 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. So what is the LCM of this two? 15 and 10. 15 and 10 LCM is 30. 15 twice time, 20, 10, 3 time. So here will be 3. And this 1 by v is equal to 6. Then 5 by 30 is equals to 5 by 30. That means 6. And if it is in centimeter, all these are. So 1 by 6. 1 by 6 1 by 6 Now you write 1 by 6. So b equals to what? B equals to 6 centimeter, right? B equals to 6 centimeter. So of course position of image is 6 centimeter. Now they are asking you to find out to tell the nature also. So for that you need to find out you need to take help of magnification. So here for magnification I am taking this part, right? M is equals to h dash by h is equal to minus of v by u, you write. अब here minus of v by u, तो v value is equals, अच्छा v is positive, v here coming in positive, that means image is formed right side of the mirror, so of course it is in positive. Now m is equal to h dash by h is equal to minus of v by u. अब minus of v means 6 centimeter and u means minus of u value is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 na 10 centimeter. So minus minus plus 2 3 time 2, अच्छा 2 से 3 time 2 से 5 time. So what do you think? Is it more than 1 or more or less than 1? 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5 means 0.5, that is less than 1. Yani clearly is equal to 3 by 5, that means m is clearly m is less than 1. So the image, hence the image formed is, the image is, of course it is virtual. Why virtual? It m is less than 1 and is in plus, okay, that's why it is virtual. Of course virtual is there, that means erect, virtual, erect and smaller at a distance of 6 centimeter, ठीक है, behind the mirror, behind the mirror. So this is how you can approach this numerical. Okay, let us move to the next question. Size and nature of image. बच्चों same, so many time we have said for this type of question you need to find out both the thing. Okay, what you do in most of the cases I have seen while checking papers also, students are, you know, they are finding V and after that they stop. No, you go for magnification also, then only otherwise there is a chance of deduction of marks if you are finding up to V only, okay, and you are not discussing the magnification. Why? Because here they are asking you to find out nature also, nature also. So until or unless you are not approaching up to magnification, how can you tell? Are you getting me? Do you understand? Okay, so let us discuss solution. How will you approach? Solution. Object 5 centimeter of length, यानी h is equal to 5 centimeter, ठीक है. Distance measured in upward direction perpendicular to principal axis is taken to be positive. So obviously this will be in positive. Distance of 20 centimeter is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. That means u is equals to minus of 20 centimeter. U will always be in minus. Centimeter of a convex mirror. Okay, so it is convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. So R value given 30 centimeter, that means 30 will be in positive. Why? Because it is convex mirror again. So if R is 30, then F is equal to 30 by 2, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, now let us find out the position and go for the size and nature. Okay, so I will use here mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. अब 1 by f means 1 by 15 and 1 by v तो not given, and 1 by u means 1 by minus of 20. Okay, now this will be plus, so I am writing better here this side 1 by v is equal to 1 by 4 times 60, and here 20 what time? 3 time. So 4 plus 3 yani 1 by v is equal to 7 by 60. So the v equals to 60 by 7. Remember this value is coming in plus, and you know in all possible cases in convex mirror, again and again I would like to remind you, in convex mirror image is formed this side, and this side all the distances are positive. So v is coming positive, it's a good sign. You are in a, up to now you are in a good track, and that will come out to be 8 7s are 8.8, so 56 for 8.6 you can centimeter. Okay, so v is equal to this much. I mean, of course, behind the mirror at this much distance image is being formed. So this is our position. Now still we need to find out the size. So for that I will take magnification. Also I will write m is equal to h dash by h is equal to minus of v by u, right? So this will be h dash means, of course, h dash means image height to be determined. H is a 5 centimeter is equals to minus of v by u. So can I write here minus v means 60 by 7 I am taking, it will be easier to you for deduction, and u value I am taking, u is minus of 20. So of course I will write minus of 20. So this minus will be cut 23 time, and this will be out to be this way, h dash is equal to 15 by 7, right? And it is equals to be 2 point, you can go for 2.15 centimeter. So clearly you can see image height is this much, 2.15 centimeter, which is smaller to that of object 5 centimeter, right? And image is being formed behind the mirror at this much distance, 8.6 centimeter. So now we have position, this is the position. Now we have size, this is the size, h dash. And what about nature? Nature you can tell virtual erect and diminished size of image. Of course 2.15 centimeter of image, okay, virtual image, erect and diminished side of image is formed behind the mirror. This much you need to write here. Okay, so this is how you can approach in these kind of numericals, right? Okay, formed. So this is the question, right? Tell me, what is the approach? How will you approach this question, such a question? Object is given, an object of size 7 centimeters. So can we approach by taking this value h is equal to 7 centimeter, okay, 7 centimeter, size is 7 centimeter, is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Concave mirror, point to be noted, u is equal to minus of 27 centimeter, clear, of a focus minus of 18. Why? Because it is concave mirror, left side. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? Screen, of course, it is concave mirror, and they are saying after all screen, an image is to be opened on a screen, and only a real image can be opened on a screen. So of course it's a matter of real image. So real image means left side, all the thing, everything will be left side, so it will be in minus, and they are asking you to find out image. Okay, but why? Because image only we can image is being obtained on a screen, right? Okay, so using mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus of 1 by u. So 1 by f is given, yes, of course it is given. So this I am writing 1 by focal length is in minus 18 is equal to 1 by is equal to v 1 by v plus of 1 by minus 27. So can I write this? This minus will be coming this side in plus. So I can write 1 by v is equal to 1 by 27 minus of 1 by 18, right? Yeah, good. Now what else we can have? 1 by v equals to, can I take the LCM of 27 and 18? I think 54. What time? For 54 from 27, 2 time. So here will be 2 minus 18, 3 time, 3. So that out to be minus 1 by 54. So of course v is equal to minus of 54 centimeter, right? See, this minus sign indicate that image is being formed left side at 54 centimeter, and focal length is 18 centimeter, and image is being formed at 54 centimeter. Of course it is real inverted. Distance, though we have measured that the screen is to be placed at 54 centimeter, right? Image can be okay. Can we just go for the magnification for more clarity? So also you will write m is equal to s dash by h is equal to minus of v by u. So this implies that h dash means object of size 7 centimeter. So h dash by 7, height of object is not there. Okay, sorry, height of object is there, height of image is not there. So h dash by 7 is equal to minus of v value is this 54, again minus 54, by u value is minus of 27. Now again this minus will be cancelled out, and 27 say what time? 2 time. Okay, so h dash is equal to 14 centimeter, 7 to the 14, and will be in minus sign. So of course if the object is object height is 7 centimeter, image height we can see 14 centimeter. What does it mean? It means that image जो है is bigger, I mean magnified. Of course it is real inverted. So real inverted magnified image is formed, and the size of image is 14 centimeter. The screen is to be placed at 54 centimeter. So this is the case of that case number 4, when the object was placed in between C and F, how the real inverted and magnified kind of image was formed that was beyond center of curvature. So here also it is clear, F given that focal length is 18, so twice of 18 means 36, more than 36 centimeter, beyond 36, that is 54, right? Na image is formed in between, image is formed beyond center of curvature 54 centimeter, and the object is placed in between center of curvature and focal length, right? That is of course 27 centimeter. Of course it is more than 18 and less than 36. Is it clear everyone? Bye bye.